The day which changed the history of India is sadly not known to many of the Indians. In this video, let's know about what happened on 14th August 1947 and why Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August in India and on 14th August in Pakistan. So before starting the story of that day, you need to know the story ahead of it. The Gandhiji's protest is heating up and Nehru has formed Indian National Army at that point in 1947. Apart from this, economic crisis has started in British due to World War II and they were unable to rule their own country. In 1945, Labour Party came to power in British and during these elections it promised that it abolishes colonialism. In 1945 Shimla Conference, it was decided that power transfer will be done in India by 3rd June 1948. In February 1947, Mountbatten was appointed as the last Viceroy of India for the purpose of taking necessary steps for the transfer of power. Nehru, Gandhiji and the Indian National Conference wanted a united, secular India, while the Muslim League led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah was pressing for the division of India to create a separate Muslim state, Pakistan. Because of this, inner conflict started in India. As the days are passing by, non-violence has been increasing. So Mountbatten decided to give independence on 15th August 1947, almost a year before it was decided. He prepared a plan called Mountbatten Plan, which provided for the partition of India and announced it on June 3, 1947. On this basis, the British government passed the Indian Independence Act on July 16, 1947. Partition triggered one of the great calamities of the modern era, perhaps the biggest movement of people outside war and famine that the world has ever seen. But why 15th August was chosen? During World War II, on 15th August 1945, Japanese army surrenders to Allied forces, which was commanded by Mountbatten. So he thought 15th August as his lucky day. But our Indian astrologist found 15th August as inauspicious and unholy and asked Mountbatten to change the day. But he disagreed. Our astrologist came up with a solution to announce Independence Day on the midnight of 14th August before 12 pm. As according to Hindu calendar, a new day starts as the sun rises. Despite of heavy rains in Delhi, lakhs of people gathered to view this auspicious moment. At 10 pm at Rashtrapati Bhavan, Nehru, Sardar Patel and Dr. Rajendra Prasad gathered. But Gandhiji was not a part of it, as he was in Bengal to stop the violence between Hindus and Muslims. An astrologist suggested Nehru to start his speech at 11:51 pm and end at 12 pm. But Gandhiji didn't even listen to the speech because he dreamt of united India. But what we got was India, which was divided into parts with violence in Bengal and Punjab. India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru unfurled the national flag for the first time at Red Fort on 16th August 1947, one day after independence. After 200-year struggle, because of many leaders who sacrificed their life, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. But why Pakistan celebrates Independence Day on 14th August? Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared 15th August as the country's Independence Day on All India Radio on 15th August 1947. The first postage stamp of the country, released in July 1948, also gave 15th August 1947 as the Independence Day. But the authorities advanced it by a day in 1948 as it fell on an auspicious day of Ramzan and it was continued further. Later, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel united all the princely states and formed the new India. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe.